This video, I'm going to show you how to put text behind a person on CapCut. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your CapCut account or sign up for an account and log in. Now, once you're done, you're going to go to the project that you want to add the text for, and you're going to click the project. Once you click the project, you're going to click on text, and you're going to add text, and you're going to enter the text that you want to enter. You're going to customize it to the you're going to ensure to extend the text to the end of the video. So we're going to do it like so, and we're going to adjust it to the top of your video. Now we're going to click on we're going to export this video. Now after exporting, we're going to create a new project, and we're going to import that project that we just exported. At this point, we're going to tap overlay, and we're going to export the project without the text, the original project. Once we add that, we're going to match the framing. So we're going to make sure that the frame match. We're going to scroll to see remove BG, then we click on remove background. Now from here, we're going to click on custom removal, and at the top of the custom removal, we're going to go to auto removal, and we're going to click on remove. And just like that, you can see the text at the back of the image. Now that's how to add text to the back of a person on CapCut. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.